Thank you very much for joining me today. So on the board right here is the area of a triangle. We have a non-right triangle. This triangle has no right angle inside of it, and we have to find the area of a triangle. In this case, if given the three sides, then we can apply the Heron's formula. So the Heron's formula is given by this expression, and S here represents the semi-perimeter, while A, B, and C represent the three sides. This is A, this is B, and this is C. All right, so let's go ahead to solve this question. Now, what we are going to do first is to find S. We are going to find S. So here, our semi-perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that means that our A is 7, then B is 5, then our C is 8, then divided by 2. Then add these three together, we are going to get 20 divided by 2, which means our S is equals to 10 centimeters. That's what our S will be. Then the next space is for us to substitute into this formula to get our area. So let's go ahead and substitute. We are going to have our area equals to the long square root. S is 10. S is 10. Then here we have S minus A. That is 10 minus 7. Then open bracket, 10 again. S minus B. So that's 10 minus 5. Then do the same thing to this other side, 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. So this is what we are going to have. Then it means that we are going to write 10 here times 10 minus 7 is 3. So we are going to write 3 here. Then times 10 minus 5 is 5. So we put down 5 here. Then times 10 minus 8 is 2. From here, we have our roots 10 times 3 times 5 times 2. So 10 times 3 is 30, and 30 times 5 is 150, and 150 times 2 is 300. So it means we are going to have the square root of 300. Okay, that's what we are going to have, square root of 300. So if we go ahead and express this in the list form, we are going to have 4 times 25. 4 times 25 is 100, okay? Then times 3. This is what we are going to have here. So it means the square root of 4, this will be 4, okay? Square root of 4 times the square root of 25, then times the square root of 3. So this gives us 2 times 5. 5 is the square root of 25, then times root 3. So this gives us 10 root 3 centimeters squared. So this is the solution to this question. So I hope you got value in this video. Thank you very much for being here. So whenever we are given a triangle with no right angle inside, simply apply the Heron's formula and get your answer just like we did here. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.